Hello there, I'm Jennifer, and today I'm going to tell you the main reasons why you should visit Colombia. Come on. If you are planning your next vacations, you should consider Colombia. Colombia is a biodiverse country. Here you can find from the tropical rainforest to deserts, beautiful beaches to indigenous ruins, and so on. When you go partying in a club in Colombia, you can always hear salsa, merengue, reggaeton, vallenato, and some other Latin rhythms. Don't worry if you don't know how to do it. Any Colombian could be a good teacher for you. When you arrive here, you will feel the warm people who welcome you and offer the best they have for you. The Colombian cuisine has so many typical dishes you have to try. In the beginning, it might be shocking because it could be very different from your country, but at the end, you will love things like arequipe, arepa, ajiaco, bandeja paisa, arroz con coco, and more. Colombia is known worldwide because of the quality of the coffee produced here. So, if you have the time, you should definitely go to the coffee region, where you will find the best coffee in the country and an incredible coffee culture behind of it. Just ask for a tinto and filled with energy for the day. If you really like to learn Spanish, this is your place. Colombians speak with an understable and neutral accent compared to the rest of the region, and we are very patient. So if you say something wrong, we help you to correct or understand what you are saying. It is not coincidence that the country's slogan is the only risk is you want to stay, because that happens quite often. After you visit this country and see all its wonders, you won't want to leave. I invite you to come, go beyond your preconceptions, go beyond the traditional tourism, and go beyond Colombia. If you have if you have other reasons why you should come to visit Colombia, please write it down in the comment sections. Bye bye.